Hello guys, get a hide mode. Good. So guys, in this video I'm going to explain you how you can create uh, a section include a picture in text. Okay, so I think the last time we will create these boxes, right? I hope everyone of you has watched that video. Don't miss that, guy. So I think in this video here I'm gonna create another section for fundamentals, right? So you can create section. You're gonna have idea, learn, and also gonna add class padding -5 type, and also container, div for container. And also we need to add a row, right? Row. Inside the row also we need to put the image in paragraph center. So we need line items does justify content between. And now we need to have div for image, right? We need to create a column dash image, no dash medium, right? So right now here we need image, so image slash 3, right? Close tag here. Perfect. Now also we need to add class for image, class image fluid here. Let's save to see what we did there. Control S. Yeah, here we are, guys. So right now here we create an image. So right now we need to also to create a heading, right? Heading here in texts and also link. So in order to do that, let's create also another column dash medium dash padding 5, right? And right now here, as I said, we need to include in this column, it's include h2 learn fundamentals, right? And also we need also paragraph lead lorem ipsum maybe 15. Perfect. And also we need to also add another paragraph lorem maybe 18. Sounds good. So let's save and look on website. Yeah, guy, that's pretty good. Right now here, what else we miss? We need also link here, right? We need button here. So in order to do that, just by the end of the paragraph here, by the end of paragraph here, create a link hashtag here, and also class. We need class for link, but btn it's mean button space btn background to be btn to be light, right? Light, and also Margin top, it means empty dash 3. Good. Inside here we need I, and also put an I class bi. It's mean Bootstrap icons, right? Bi, oh sorry, bi dash, in bi dash chevron chevron right, no, right. Perfect. Let's save. Yeah, sounds good. So right now here we need to write something here. Learn more about about kingdom. Let's save. Perfect, guys. So I like it. So if you did it in if you don't see this light here, this background here, you can change this background. And instead of light, let's replace it with the primary. Let's save. Okay, yeah, that sounds good. Primary, when you click here, get you there here. So I like it. So right now here it's a time also to create another section also. So to do that in this time, it just is very easy. All you need to do is just copy this section, all of it, and control S allows you to copy. Let's close here, come here, paste. Right, let's take a look here. Yeah, that sounds good here. So create two sections, include two column. So here, instead of to have picture in left here, we want to put it here in right. Just in this time, all you need to just copy this div of image here. Copy this. No, just take it in its place here. Right. By the end of this div here, paste them here. Right. Let's take a look here. Yeah, perfect. I like it. So in this time, we need to change this background, and also we need to change color of the heading here. And also we need to change this link. Perfect. So this time I want to change this image to be maybe 1, right? Save. I like this one here, right? And also here I want to change what? Want to change this background here. No, yes, this background here. Where is that? Where is it? Here? It's here. I'm going to create a secondary. CEONDAR, no, ARY. Let's save secondary color. Wow, perfect. So right now here, we want to change this background here, right? We want to change this background and change this color also. So to do that, let's go here. Yeah, let's hit BG. It's mean background. Background to be dark, dark. Good. Okay, let's save. Yeah, I like it. In text, we'll change this text to be light, right? Text to be light. Yeah, perfect, guys. So we did great job here in this time here. So as I said, I want to change this color. Instead of light, that's inside of the h2 here. Let's add class color, text color to be warring here, right? We also change this fundamentals. Learn Python. Perfect. You don't need to ask here. Learn Python. Let's save. Perfect, guy. So I think this time, guy, we done on two section, right? Two section, both of them include uh, text, image, in heading, paragraph, in links, right? Let's see our website in a uh, smaller screen. Let's click here. Wow, that's perfect. I like it. I really like it, right? Let's click here. Our menu is so perfect. So where is that picture, right? To see that picture, just only do here. Come back here. This space. Yeah, here it is, right? So what else also we want to do this time here? So this time, let's close all of them to both Python, to both section. And now here it's time to add question, right? It's time to add a coding, right? Time to add a coding here. Time to add coding. Where is that here? Okay, it's here. Good. So according here, it's no time to add a coding question, right? Just click section ID. ID could be question. ID question. Inside I want to also create class padding. Perfect. We will need also to put our question in center. So to do that, just you need container. We need container to be a website in center. What else? So let's here. Let's no, just according according. Yeah. So right now, to get that, just all you need to just go back to Bootstrap here and go to components. And according is the first tag here. Click right here. There's a lot of example of a coding question here. So whatever you like, it just copy, right? Just copy this link. But I like here you have flash. All those questions. I like this one. Maybe some people take this example, the first one, right? I like this one maybe also. Let's change, right? So to copy that, just only grab all this here, or maybe to save time, to save your time, just copy this here, all right, and paste them here. Save, perfect. All right, let's save this all this links. Control S. And go back to the website. Oh my gosh, here we are, guys. So we did. So in this time here, we will change some stuff here, right? We need also to have heading here, right? We need h2 class text center text